Hi, I'm Jack from Twinkl, and today we're looking at how to write an acrostic poem. The first step, if you haven't done so already, is to decide on a topic. If you decide to write an acrostic poem about the summer, it's as simple as writing SUMMER along the left-hand side to form the opening letter of each line of the poem. The beauty of acrostic poems is that the topic creates the structure for your child to write, making this a perfect activity for any subject or reason, be it to write a poem about the character from a book, a mathematical skill, a holiday or seasonal event, or just about anything really. Once your child has the outline of an acrostic poem, either one they've written themselves or a template from the Twinkl website, try putting together a word bank of related descriptions, adjectives, and similes. Thinking around the topic will prepare your child before they start writing. Here's a few ideas I jotted down for summer. With the subject written vertically and a bank of ideas to help us, it's now time to start writing. Starting with the letter S, I've decided my opening line will start with the word sun, as it starts with the letter S and is relevant to the topic of summer. I've written sun shining bright. As I continue, I can decide to make my poem rhyme, or it doesn't have to rhyme at all. Now the rhyming scheme could be AABB, which means the first and second lines rhyme, or ABAB, where the first and third and second and fourth lines rhyme. I've decided I want to rhyme bright with light. So if I want an AABB rhyming scheme, I could write under the burning light. But if it's an ABAB rhyme scheme, then I could write melting in the light. Have a go yourself. Try filling out an acrostic poem template, or try writing one of your own. For further information, follow the links in the YouTube video description box to find videos talking about how to form ideas for acrostic poems and how to self-assess acrostic poems. Thank you for watching.